Basic strumming patterns and chords for the beginners. We'll begin with the first pattern, 4x4, called common time also. 1, 2, 3, 4. We count here 4. 1 is any one string here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now coming to the second pattern, 3x4, which is also called waltz. We count 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The last one is 2x4. We count 2 here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we have to practice all these 3 strumming patterns with the following chords. They are basic. For example, there are 3 types of chords: major, minor and seventh. We'll take E major, E minor, E seventh, A major, A minor, A seventh, D major, D minor, D seventh. Practice these chords and strumming patterns. Thank you for watching.